Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DBS something went wrong error. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A weak connection is one of the main causes of this error. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Temporary bugs can trigger this message. Next, restart your phone to clear system level issues affecting the app. Then, make sure the DBS app is updated to the latest version, as updates often fix bugs and errors. Go to your app store, search for DBS and update the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes to update it. Next, if you're performing a transaction, wait for a few while or minutes and try again later, as this error can occur due to temporary server issues. Now, if the problem proceeds, reinstall the app to remove any corrupted data. That's how you fix the DBS something went wrong error. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.